What's happening, folks? Back with another reaction, back with some more Flock of Seagulls. And we're back with their sophomore album, Listen, 1983. I'm really excited. The first couple tunes have been quite remarkable. I've enjoyed the, slightly more emotional sound to the first couple tracks that we've heard, so I'm excited to continue through this album and see how it, in some ways reflects what I heard on the self-titled album, but perhaps branching out or sort of expanding the sound. So yeah, the third tune on the album is called Transfer Affection. It's an intriguing title. It makes me think sort of like along psychological lines, the idea of, like in one context, what is often called the rebound effect, the way at which, someone who recently is out of a significant or maybe long-term relationship will often sort of rush to find another partner, a sort of a comforting intimacy, whether that is intended in their mind to become another long-term thing, or whether they just want sort of a connection after having one and losing it for a long period of time. So in that context, you would say they're keen to transfer all this built-up emotion and affection that they've had and they've been manifesting and expressing, which now has no outlet. Suddenly, they have that pent-up affection, but there's no place to manifest it or to apply it. So yeah, I feel like whether it's specifically about rebound, it could be the idea that someone builds up some emotion through the course of some process or experience, and then has to transfer it to something else, has to apply it to someone else to try to keep their sort of life stable and their emotional experience pretty much unaltered. So yeah, we'll see if that has any relevance, but it's an interesting title because like affection is something that you think of as very human and sort of difficult to define in any clear like scientific sense, whereas transfer, it feels a bit more like mechanical, technical. The idea we're going to transfer this from here to the, not like take, or not like I'm going to bring this over. It's like we're going to transfer this. So it feels like a sort of combination of something that is more mechanical and procedural with something that is very like intimate, human, and again sort of nebulous or hard to define. So I guess we'll find out. This is Transfer Affection by A Flock of Seagulls on their 1983 album Listen. Already that emotional feeling. Like that same sound that I've come to know and appreciate, but a bit more emotion in it. know what's going on layered vocals. Like hypnotic by the end of the track. Again, it feels, in a way, a continuation of the vibes and the sounds they were doing on the first album, but perhaps with a slightly different flavor. So, yeah, another tune that like not only makes me excited about the rest of this album, but is giving me a sense of, you know, maybe what they're doing over time. So yeah, top tune. It did feel like on some level that's what it was about, the idea of being, you know, fresh out of a relationship and not quite knowing what to do with oneself, or like how to apply your emotion, how to transfer your affection. And there was seemingly sort of a dialogue with the ex-partner that, like, number one, don't tell me that I'm better on my own. Again, you're not really like in my head, so you don't know how this feels. And yeah, a couple other lines, which again, don't tell me there's nothing else to hide, which seems to be an indication that, like, no, there is something else to hide, and we can keep maybe the mystery that we had between us. You know, maybe we haven't told each other our full stories, or, you know, it feels like it's an attempt to negate, again, an assessment of the former partner, who seemingly is the one who, you know, cut it off. So yeah, I gotta listen to it some more, sort of try to get, you know, the full contours of the narrative. But yeah, do let me know what you think, either sonically or lyrically. Yeah, just really excited to go through the rest of the album. So let me know what you think. I'll see you next time. Peace.